Okay, so I went over on Unit 1 the vocabulary words, and there's still a lot of information in here, but I wanted you to have them. So the first one, I'm going to go over them and speak them and sign them at the same time. So I wanted you to see them, kind of get a feel for it, and then have me speak and sign them. So we have busy, confused, fine, good or to be well. So you can do good or good. As long as you see the mouth like good, or you'll see the difference. Happy or happy. Nothing, none. Same old, usual, routine. Sleepy, or you can crash and go to sleep. So-so. To be tired. And notice I went, because that shows the facial expressions. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Deaf or deaf. Friend. Hard of hearing, HH. Hearing. Introduce, to introduce you, like I introduced you, or you can say, Bob, introduce. So depending on the direction. So meet, my, nice. And all together, nice to meet you. Want, really want, like you really want that, so these fingers do that, or so I want that, or I really want it. So depending on the motion and the movement and the facial expressions shows, do you want it or do you really want it? ASL, American Sign Language. Bathroom, we all know bathroom, it's really important. To go or go. Learn. No, and the head goes with it. Please. Again, a repeat. Slow. Thank you. Yes, the head moves with it. Bye. Later, like maybe we'll see that later, or much, something with later. Not like later, dude, it's like later. Me too. Same. To see you. So you can do see you later. See you later. See you tomorrow, and it's the sign for tomorrow. Take care. Take care. Or it could be careful, 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 take care. And blank face, just blank face. Bored. Excited, so your middle fingers, and they kind of go in a circle out. So they touch, circle out, and you rotate. Excited. Facial expressions. To be mad or angry. To be sad. To be sick. To be scared. Can, or you may, or possible is twice. Can, may, possible. Can't, don't know, don't like, don't understand, or don't understand, because this means don't or not. Not me. No. Like, so you take your thumb and your middle finger, like, put them together. So it has that motion, like, understand. Absent or skipped. Don't mind. Due, when's it due? Or owe if it's money. So I would say homework due when, or if it's money, money owe. Favorite, movie, practice, school, today, now. So those are your vocab words. we're going to go over more. I hope these videos are beneficial to you, and I think they will be. And I will see you next week. Bye.